Hey, what's up? This your boy Norris, and welcome back to another pattern review. Now, today's pattern review is going to be on a Vogue vintage pattern 8363. It looks like this, and I'm going to be reviewing the view B. I've made view E as well, but today I'm only going to focus on view B. View B is right here behind me. It's basically a polo shirt with fat collars, which give it that vintage look. You can easily make it a modern look just by reshaping the collar before you cut out the fabric. I'll probably do that one day, but I just love the vintage look, and it just has a definite distinctive detail. When you see that collar, I mean, you just can't help but see it, especially when you do it out of a contrasting fabric like I did right here. Now, the one difficult thing about this particular pattern might be, let me raise it up a little bit. Oh, you can see it. It's making that little pocket right here, as you can see. And it's even more difficult by doing it out of the stripe that I did it out of. Now, because I did it out of knit, I switched out my presser foot just so it could be a little easier glide through the machine. And it worked out perfect. Shout out to LA Finch. LA Finch sent me and the wifey some fabric. Or maybe she sent wifey some fabric and wifey just gave me some of it. However it worked out, I got some of it. And it was great. The fabric works well. It's good for a knit. Good for maybe a double knit if you want to make it a little bit heavier. And it's long sleeves, so it's perfect for the fall and winter. You can layer it up under blazers and all that good stuff. One thing about vintage patterns, if you look for vintage patterns, I think most of them, they made them one size in each package. So it's kind of hard to shop for them because you don't get a variety of different sizes in one and you cut out your size. So this one right here was a medium and 34 through 40. So I had to check to see what the measurements were before we actually purchased it. I made this pattern maybe like, I think 3 times now. I think I did a short sleeve version, I did this one, and I did another long sleeve one, which was like a black and white stripe. And I think all of them I did a contrasting color to it because I just think it's dope like that. I would rate this pattern, I say maybe a 8.5. Maybe a 9. I mean, I love it that much. I love vintage patterns. And if you could see, look at some of this detail I got on here with the stripes going all the way through, matching up really good. Even right here on the arms, on the sleeves, it looks really good. One nice detail is the little hidden button up under the collar that's in the actual pattern, but it don't show you how to do a little loop. So I did a little thread loop, and then my wife taught me how to do. So that made it really great. It fits like a glove. Oh, also, let me show you see right here, it's a little split on the sides. And it's long enough for you to tuck in, but don't look too tucked in. You can like blouse it out a little bit so you won't feel restricted. But I love this pattern. It don't take very long to make. This one right here kind of took a long because I had to match up the stripes, but if you want for that, I could make it in maybe like an hour and a half, 2 hours. It's only a front piece, a back piece, sleeves, and a collar, and then your placket. That's pretty much it. And then everything else is just putting on your buttons and making your buttonholes. So I hope you enjoyed this pattern review. Be sure to follow me on Instagram. Also subscribe to my YouTube channel. And I will see you in the next review. I'm out.